And hi guys, I am Abhishek and we are out on the streets of Noida to find out what is that one tech purchase that people are going to make in the next year, that is 2026. But before that, let me share what I want to buy. Well, I really want to buy a PS5, but for that I have to buy a TV as well, and I do not have enough space in my house to put a TV on, and for that I'll have to buy a house as well. So I think that is a different challenge altogether. But anyways, let's go out and see what people are going to buy in the next year. So now we have Akash with us. Akash, let me know about what you are going to purchase in 2026.
Maybe PS5.
PS5, and why?
Because I love gaming.
What game you love usually? Like
Red Dead Redemption
ये मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा
or God of War and games like these.
but you don't like racing games
Sometimes.
I am really willing to buy air purifier
and the reason?
because I want to survive Delhi and the AQI is really killing me.
Currently, I would upgrade to iPhone Air.
iPhone Air. Oh, you're liking that, huh?
Yeah.
Because of the slim form factor?
Slim.
Okay. Mission failed, guys. Since it's New Year time, so there's not much public out there in the market to whom we can talk to. But we are back to the office again, and let's see what people here in the office think about their new smartphone upgrade or the tech gadget upgrade that they are going forward in 2026. Let's go. Now we have Saloni with us. So Saloni, hi.
Hi.
What is that one gadget that you are looking forward to buy in 2026?
I have been for long thinking of buying an air purifier.
Okay.
It's been on my list to, purchase. So yeah, I think a Dyson air purifier is something which is
Okay.
an immediate buy for me right now.
Yeah, this is a perfect time right now to buy an air purifier.
Yeah, the AQIs are terrible, and I think now it's become a must. Earlier
Yeah.
we used to think it's a fancy gadget, but now I think it's a must for every household to have.
Previously, I was thinking to buy a smartphone,
Uh-huh.
but as we all know, pollution has increased. So
Yeah.
now I'm thinking to buy air purifier.
PS5
PS5,
was because GTA 6 is coming up. Second, I'm a gamer.
the gamer. Apart from PS5, what else do you think? Do you want to upgrade to any different phone or something like that?
So I currently have iPhone 15. So I think I'll go for 17 or 16.
If you have to choose one, PS5 or iPhone 17, then what?
PS5.
PS5.
Yes.
What is the one gadget that you are looking forward to buy in 2026?
So I recently bought a phone and now I'm planning to buy an adapter for this.
So which phone is this?
This is a 17.
iPhone 17.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so you need an adapter. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. That makes sense. So hi Vinakshi, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, so I have a question for you. What is that one gadget that you are looking forward to buy in 2026?
I think I can go for PS5 controller
Why controller? Why not PS5?
because when I bought PS5 it got only one controller.
Oh, you already have PS5. Oh, nice.
So I would like to go the second one because so that we can pay as a couple.
Okay.
That is the thing we have thought about. Let's see.
Apart from that, anything else? What is the most expensive tech that you purchased in this year?
That was PS5.
PS5 only. Okay,
But I
so
would like to go for iPhone.
iPhone, the
You have
orange
to
one.
think about it. No, I don't like the orange.
Why? Why?
I might go for the better color.
Okay. Hello, Ayushi.
Hi Abhishek,
How are you?
what's up? I'm good.
Okay, so I have a question for you.
Okay.
What is that one gadget that you are looking forward to buy in 2026?
iPhone.
Why?
Crazy, I just wanna upgrade like my
The new
current
iPhone 17
piece.
or the Pro model?
I'll go for the Pro model.
Orange color?
Not really, I'm not a big fan of the Cosmic Orange, but probably I'll stick with the basics. Maybe it's the
Okay.
silver one.
What do you think is the popular name for that cosmic orange in India?
BJP.
Anything else apart from the 17 Pro iPhone?
Gadgets in general.
Any gadget.
Probably a Dyson. The
Dyson?
new edition, yeah.
Air purifier?
No, the hair wrap.
But we need air purifier now.
That's not my priority as of now, but okay.
Now you can see, guys, this is not our priority. People are saying. So now we have to be a little serious because we are with the HR. Hello Himangi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Perfect, I'm good too.
Yeah.
Anyways, I have a question for you.
Okay.
What is that one gadget that you are looking forward to buy in 2026?
In 2026, I'll maybe save a little money and I'll go for the Dyson air purifier.
Not the air wrap?
No, I can, right now, I can do with bad hair, but I can't do with bad air. You see the condition that's outside.
Nice. I like it. Great line. We'll quote this.
Yes.
Okay. Apart from the air purifier, anything else?
No, I'm not a gadget person. No.
Okay.
I will not.
So that was it. People are either buying an air purifier or a PS5. Air purifier does make a lot of sense, especially for the people who are living in Delhi NCR. But PS5, I don't know from where this trend is coming from. But anyways, these were the answers that we got from people out there on the streets of Noida and inside our office.